Hello children, welcome to Evolve Science classes. Today we are going to get known to this topic which is a bit confusing among the class 8 students. This topic of human eye belongs to the chapter of light. So firstly, the main thing or the main problem that the children face is drawing the diagram of this human eye. It's a very easy thing to draw, but it's quite complicated when you see in your book. So I will be drawing the human eye here in a very easy manner. You can also start drawing along with me, and accordingly I'll label the parts and also describe about it. So let's get started. You all draw a circle. So the same way I am also drawing a circle. This is a normal circle. I used my dotted lines to draw it. You can very well draw it with the help of your compass. Now once this dotted line is drawn, what we have to do, from the front portion we have to give a bit of bulge, just like this, bulge over, and then we can rub this area well. After this, these dotted lines can be joined out and we can make a full circle out of it. So here we are drawing the structure of the eye, the skeleton of the eye. Now after we have got this structure, we will draw another double line similar to it. Do you know what does this double line stand for? This double line stands for the transparent front covering of the eye, which we call it as cornea. So this is our first labeling with the double line. Over. Now next one. From here we will draw two lines. For before that, here we will start drawing this line. You can draw it like this. Very easy, very easy. Just this one. Over. Now to this opening, we are going to fix the convex lens. Convex lens. This has to be a bit attached to the lens. This is holding the lens actually. So you all know about the convex lens. These lines which I have drawn are termed as iris. This iris gives distinctive color to our eyes. आपने देखा होगा कई लोगों की आंखें ब्राउन, किसी की लाइट ब्लू. If I tell you, you all are aware of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She has greenish blue eyes. That greenish blue eyes is not because she is wearing a lens. It's because the color of her iris is greenish blue in color. Now this iris has one more work to do that I am letting you know. Can you see an opening here in between? That's a gap between the two iris. Do you find this? This gap between the two iris is termed as the pupil. This pupil is the opening through which the light enters. And where will the light enter? The light will enter through the lens. This is the lens of our eye. You know, this lens can be stretched and it can be, that means when we are stretching the lens, we say it is getting expanded. When we are leaving the lens loose, we say it is contracted. So this expansion and contraction of the lens is done by some muscles which I am drawing with the help of a wavy line. These are termed as ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. This ciliary muscles helps in expansion and contraction of the lens. The shape of the lens is like this, convex. It is our lens, the eye lens is broader in the middle and it is pointed at the two edges. Okay, you may also find out this is having the shape tapering type of a shape. So this lens is an organic lens made up in our own body. From here there is an extended lining, again a lining you can draw from here through the ciliary muscles, giving a little bit of notch here, and you are joining it here. You know which line is this? This line is termed as retina. This retina is supposed to be that screen of the human eye where the images are formed. That means the light enters through this lens and it gets converged. Convex lens converges the light and an image is formed here in the retina. This retina has sensory cells known as rods and cones. These cells are shaped like rods and these cells are shaped like cones. That's why they are termed as rods and cones. ये रेटिना पे जो ये सेल्स हैं, सेंसरी सेल्स, ये क्या काम करती हैं? ये ब्राइट कलर्ड लाइट को ब्रेन में इंफॉर्मेशन ले जाने की हेल्प करती है. ब्रेन में इंफॉर्मेशन कौन लेकर जाएगा? ये रेटिना से जॉइंट ऑप्टिक nerves. These are termed as optic nerves, which are taking the information to the brain, and then the brain can decode. Coding and decoding, you all are aware of this now. The brain can decode and sense whatever is formed on the retina. So this is our entire structure of human eye. Look, I have drawn also and I have labeled also. If you keep on viewing this video 2 to 3 times or more than that as you require, you can have a very good hold on drawing this picture, understanding this picture even, and this is a very important question, and even it is asked to draw till class 12th. So once you are very familiar and very fixed in drawing this picture for human eye, you are set for the all coming years of your study. So I hope I was quite helpful to you. Thank you. Stay tuned. God bless all of you.